Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Monday to you all. Thanks for joining me for my Walgreens haul video and also deals video. I did not use any booster in this haul, and this is all digital deals and also very easy to follow. I'll be picking up the Arm & Hammer detergent on sale for $1.99. I'll be picking up 2 of the 28 loads because we have some Ibotta rebate for it. Make sure you scan these items because some of the ones on sale is not attaching to the Ibotta rebate. So make sure you scan it so that when you submit your receipt, you will not have any problem with it. But I'll be checking out just these 2 items and I'll be back with my receipt. Here is my receipt, and it worked out very well because it's a very simple transaction. My subtotal was $3.98 plus tax. I used $4 Walgreen cash, paid just 29 cents out of pocket, and I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each one of them, making both items $1.98 or just 99 cents each. The next deal I'll be picking up will be when you buy 4 or more participating Bounce, Downy, Gain or Tide products, you get back $5 register reward. I'll pick up the Gain Flings on sale for $5.49. and I have a $1.50 digital coupon for it. And I'll also be picking up the Bounce 105 sheets, the dryer sheets, on sale for $5.49, and I also have a $1 digital coupon as well. And the next item I'll be adding will be the Tide Pod on sale for $5.49, and I have a $2 digital coupon that is attaching to it. The last item I will add to complete this deal will be another Tide liquid, the 24 loads, on sale for $5.49, and I have a $1.50 digital coupon that is going to apply to it. The total for these 4 items is going to be $21.96, and after all the 4 coupons I mentioned earlier on come off, I'm hoping to pay around $15.96. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. This transaction worked out as expected. The $2 came off for the Tide Pod, $1.50 came off for the Tide Liquid, another $1.50 came off for the Gain Flings, and the $1 for the Bounce came off. And my subtotal was $15.96 plus tax. I used $10 Walgreen cash and I paid $7.66 out of pocket. That's including the tax, and I got back my $5 register reward. And after the reward, these 4 items ended up costing me just $10.96 or $2.74 each. These are all the deals I picked up in this video, but I have some more deals coming up that I decided to share in case someone needs them. The first deal you can pick up if you need it will be on when you buy 2 or more participating Bounty or Chiming products, you get $6 register reward back. And they're also on sale for $11.99. You can mix or match however way you like. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty, but you can check P&G website. There is a $3 there if you want to print it out. That will help the cost. Add the Charmin toilet paper on sale for $11.99. We also have a $1 digital coupon for it as well, or you can go to P&G website and print out the $3. These 2 items are going to total you $23.98, depending on what coupon you use. But if you want to keep it all digital, using the $1 in the app is going to drop it down to $21.98. Pay that and you will get $6 register reward back. You can use Walgreen cash or register reward for this deal. It will end up making both items $15.98 or $7.99 each. The next deal will be on Angel Soft toilet papers. It's on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 3, you get $3 register reward back. Picking up 3, 2 will be for $9, and the third one is going to cost $4.99. We have a $1.50 off 3 digital coupon that is going to apply to this. These 3 items are going to cost $13.99, and after the coupon come off, it's going to drop it down to $12.49, and you get $3 register reward back, making all 3 items $9.49 or $3.16 each. The next deal you can pick up is when you spend $20 on participating Eucerin, Aquaphor, Nivea or Basis products, you get back $10 Walgreen cash. You can pick up the Aquaphor Advanced Therapy 3 ounces, priced at $12.99, and we have a $2 app coupon that will apply to it. Also pick up the Eucerin Advanced Therapy, priced at $7.99. I scanned this one in the store and it's attaching to a $2 app coupon. The total for these two products are going to be $20.98, and after the $2 comes off, it's going to drop it down to $16.98, and you get $10 in Walgreen cash back, making both items $6.98 or $3.49 each. Another deal to pick up if you need hair care is picking up the Garnier Fructis. They're on sale for 2 for 8, and when you spend 10, you get $3 back in register reward. They're on sale for 2 for 8. That means picking up 2 will not get you to $10, so you need to add extra 1, which will cost $4.49. And the 3 items are going to come up to $12.49. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply to this and drop it down to $9.49, and you get $3 back in register reward, making all 3 items $6.49 or $2.16 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for your support. See you next time. Bye.